This is the external fire tester bench. Yeah, as you can see, the battery package will surrounded by the fire. In this experiment, the combustion medium is the gasoline. This test bench can realize the integrated automatic oil pumping and the ignition functions, as well as the different time combinations of direct combustion and indirect combustion. During this test, the direct combustion will last 70 seconds, and the indirect combustion will last 60 seconds. In such fire, the battery package won't catch fire in the battery, and it won't explode.
But today was an exception.
We do this experiment to ensure that our electric vehicle is safe and reliable when it is in a possible external fire.
And we have found that the battery is okay.
So basically, the requirement for this test is to the outside frame of this of this battery pack can last 5 minutes without any deforming, and the inside individual cells itself won't explode or on fire for 5 minutes. That's how we can measure if the experiment is successful or not. And if, like right now, we can see successfully passed the test. That's how we guarantee our battery cells can be really safe even under fire.
So that was 5 minutes without deforming.